So both fighters of equal caliber are going to face each other. Rocky with the height advantage, but Sachin with the youth advantage. Let's see how it goes.
Rocky, old schooler, old school style. Go straight with the right. With Sachin Flago, I feel like I'm going to see a lot of hands down action. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. And Sachin charges on.
It's a war, man.
Oh my God, he's in and out style.
Heavy hands from Sachin. Although he's overswinging. Oh, nice
beautiful.
over and
I
over.
think so. Sachin is doing a beautiful job with his defense and his head movements. And Rocky needs not to overcompensate his punches. He's overcompensating his punches and he's missing his combos. Beautiful. Right, straight, rocks.
If he goes on like this, his dream of winning a world.
And here is Sachin Flago with the Conor McGregor walk.
अगर रॉकी इसी तरह बॉक्सिंग करेगा तो उसका जो ड्रीम ऑफ विनिंग a world title will be shattered today. He needs to do something new and not overextend, man.
Beautiful head movements, dodges all the punches.
Nice slip from Sachin. Let's see how Flago returns it. Rocky Malik has overswung himself. It looks like he's out of gas. He can't go.
He is just swinging.
And he's just moments away from being knocked down from Sachin.
Sachin has him in the corner. Straight.
All he needs is a nice punch.
Body. Straight to the face. And the mouth guard is out of the ring. The referee needs to stop the match so that his mouth guard can be fixed back in. I saw the mouth guard flying out of the ring. If I'm not wrong. Beautiful display of boxing by Sachin. Sachin needs to be careful though. Sachin needs to go in and out. Because this Rocky has been overcompensating his punches like mad.
A nice phone boot exchange from both of them. इसमें फ्लागो एक चीज कर सकता है, बैक करके मार सकता है. It was a nice, but Sachin, let's see, it's only the first round और अभी भी काफी heavy action हो रहा है. मलिक की तरफ से heavy artillery, but he's kind of
beautiful. Rocky is not showing any sense of boxing. This is even worse than brawling. I'll put it straight to the page. I expected much more from Rocky, taking the name of Rocky Balboa at the same time, but this is very bad for Rocky. I'm utterly disappointed by the way Rocky is fighting because I had my money on Rocky, and Sachin is displaying a beautiful round of boxing.
Looks like Sachin has figured out Rocky's punches. All he had to do is dip down and pick his shots. But at the same time, Sachin is doing something bad. It's like he's also overexerting himself. What he can do is like slow down the pace and pick his shots. That way, he can move on to the next round. Let's see.
And this was eyes closed. This round goes to Sachin Flago. I sparred with this guy, and this guy puts up an exceptional defense plus. And right now, what Sachin needs to do is he needs to have short punches from inside the thing, inside the box.
But अगर मैं फ्लागो का कॉर्नर में होगा, yes, वो ये राउंड जीत रहा है. But as you can see, Malik is over extending himself, so he can do is bring down the pace, then pick his shots, and then he can easily get a win.
I expected Rocky to work more with his jabs in the starting round. He is a more aged fighter. He has been fighting for such a long time, and he himself is a coach. And if you start off a round like that, putting everything to the page and putting even my word into it, he needs to box more technically and in a very much more sound manner. Because right now, what he is doing, the boxing, I won't call it boxing as far as now. As far as I know boxing, and as a boxer myself. Sachin.
Let's see what Sachin has to do. He is doing it again. Sachin is doing again. Going to the comfort zone of Arun Malik. Malik boxer. I guess that's the. That was an illegal push. Not illegal. I'm sorry. That was that was an illegal warning from the ref. पता है बॉक्सर पंचर्स का ये प्रॉब्लम होता है क्योंकि वो लोग हर चीज में अच्छा है. So instead of playing their game, they tend to dive into their opponent's game. See, you see that Sachin can do that. He can be the better boxer. He can be a boxer instead of a fighter and win this fight instead of a brawler. Sachin agar is a fight mein boxer, that's what I wanted to say. You see, that's what he should be doing.
Beautiful footwork by Sachin, taunting with a much older fighter. Rocky is 9 years older than Sachin. I love that.
यही करना चाहिए. So now
And there was a drop. There was not a count. Referee cleans the gloves and they go back to bout again.
So let's see. It's a match between a boxer and a fighter. This is what मुझे सचिन से देखने का मन है.
I don't understand. I have no idea why is Rocky fighting like that. What kind of boxing is that?
I mean, I agree with you, Prem bro. According to the standard of being a pro, that's a very low
Beautiful
quality,
1-2 classic boxing.
But hats off to Sachin's chin. He's still hanging on. See, this is what I was talking about.
Rocky is out of gas, and as he came back to the second round, he was not recovered in that break.
All Sachin needs to do is bring his pace down, catch his breath, pick his shots, and that way he's already doing the right thing. That way he can bring down Malik very easily. A futile attempt to the body. Sachin की ओर से अच्छा body punch. Oh. Punches from Flago to Sachin. I think 2 more rounds. If this goes on 2 more rounds, then I'm sure Flago can get him finished. Oh. Sachin looks gas out. He's fighting for his breath. He's overextending. Nice work from
Beautiful finish shell by Sachin.
Flago looks a little bit surprised. Why is Malik not going down still yet? But I think the finish is going to come down soon. And if you're looking at Malik, he looks out of gas, but I don't know where he is bringing the will. I can't describe it's whether it's will or determination that is still going on. But अगर ये वही pace रखते रहेगा और इसी power से exert करते रहेगा तो I don't think he can go. I don't think that's very economical because he has 2 more rounds to go.
Now, when you're out of gas, it's very difficult to go with jabs. So I don't think so. Rocky is gonna come with any jabs and changes any game. He's gonna go full flurry.
It's a horrible feeling. ये feeling बहुत horrible होता है. When you are tired, आपका arms go heavy, and when you are under the lights on top of the ring, the man in the arena, that's the worst thing that can happen to you is be fatigued. Let's see what Flago has to do or will be doing this round.
Now Rocky seems to be taking extra minutes, extra seconds to start the round. That will help him compensate. But Rocky seems to be having harder chin, but these are wild punches, bro. God forbid it doesn't touch Sachin in the wrong spot. I love how Sachin is using his head movements and footwork to evade those punches. But on the other point, in this weight category, the punches that Rocky is like launching, it's kind of a little slow.
Good arm fighting inside the ring, and it's quite tiresome. अभी देखते हैं Flago क्या करेंगे. Hats off to Malik though. He has been throwing bombs from 3 rounds. He's been throwing bombs, man. But again, this is not pro fighting. This is not actually boxing. This is just wild.
But even though Yumtar, I have feared if those punches land, he's throwing it wild with full power.
But I doubt from a disciplined fighter like Flago, I think he can see the punches coming from far away. For an untrained fighter, he couldn't be looking at those punches, but someone with the caliber of Flago, I'm sure he'll
Oh, he comes with the guillotine, and referee calls out to Flago, and that's the first warning. And he comes with the classic trick. He throws down takes out his mouth guard to get the extra seconds to recover. Body, Sachin. I think so. Rocky's chin is quite strong, but if
Flago is going into Sachin's game. He knows he's the better boxer, so he can keep on boxing. But
I think
Sachin is going to his game. You see, that's illegal, yeah. And now the winner that's a good decision by the ref.
it's a very good decision because he's playing the wrong cards in the game. And ladies and gentlemen, you have